catch. Wait, no, don't throw them. Splash.
Hey Mars. Is there something sticking out on my...
Hello, world. It's Minute. Why do you keep putting me in this costume? This is like a mini-me. Neptune. No fish. Ow, hey, got move. You. Don't do that.
I'm going to do the thing if the listeners knew me. Remember to hit the apple, not your son, okay?
I know what I'm doing.